Luna 9, Journey to the Unreal World. In the year 1966, inside a workshop that looked like a scene from a digital dream, a scientist named Nikolai worked on his greatest masterpiece. Floating before him was Luna 9, a perfectly smooth sphere of liquid silver that reflected thousands of neon lights. Every probe before it had sadly crashed upon the moon. Nikolai placed his hand on the cool metal and whispered, "Be the first to land as soft as a feather." Not far away, a young girl named Mila looked through a telescope that seemed to be carved from pure crystal. Mila loved the moon. To her, it wasn't just a gray rock, but a glowing world full of secrets. She knew something big was about to happen. She wondered if the moon's surface was soft like a fluffy cloud, or hard like a polished diamond. No one knew, but Luna 9 would soon reveal the truth. With a deafening roar that sounded like a symphony of thunder, the rocket soared into the sky. Luna 9 was tucked away in the very tip, protected by a shield that shimmered like mother of pearl. It felt a tremendous pressure as it left the blue atmosphere and plunged into a deep, hyper-black universe where the stars didn't blink but shone like pure laser points. In the control center, Nikolai watched a wall filled with floating holographic screens. He heard a rhythmic beep, beep, beep that sounded like a heartbeat made of metal. The journey to the moon was long, silent, and empty. Nikolai carefully moved light sliders in the air, guiding Luna 9 through the infinite space between two worlds. After 3 days, the moon loomed before Luna 9 like a giant gray planet from another dimension. The craters looked like deep silver bowls filled with shadows. The probe was flying too fast. If it didn't slow down, it would shatter into a million pieces. Nikolai sent a signal that streaked through space like a flash of white light. Time to land. Just before impact, a giant protective bag inflated around Luna 9. It looked like a glowing white pearl falling into the ocean of storms. When it touched the surface, there was no crash. Instead, Luna 9 bounced. It bounced once, twice, and then elegantly rolled into the gray dust, as if dancing in zero gravity. The protective bag dissolved like morning mist, and Luna 9 stood alone in absolute silence. Then, something magical happened. 4 metal panels on its top began to open slowly, like the petals of a mechanical flower. These petals stabilized it on the uneven ground. Luna 9 stood firm and proud. It was the first visitor to ever land softly on the moon. Luna 9 began to work. It extended a small arm with a camera that rotated with a quiet hum. It started scanning the landscape and sending data back home. It proved that the moon was not a trap of deep dust, but a solid, beautiful place with sharp rocks and fascinating shadows, where humans could one day truly walk. Back on Earth, the first images began to appear on the monitors. Nikolai and Mila had to be there to see it. They saw the shadows of lunar stones with such clarity that it took their breath away. They hugged and cheered. They knew the world had just changed. Luna 9 had sent them a postcard from another world, a digital greeting from the depths of space. Luna 9 remained on the moon even after its batteries fell silent. It showed the way for everyone who came after. On clear nights, Mila still looks through her crystal telescope, and Nikolai watches the stars. Both know that up there, in the quiet ocean of storms, rests a little silver heroine who was the first to achieve the impossible.